Welcome back, children. Let us continue with EVS 1, lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals. Now, before starting, let me give you a short summary of what we had done in the earlier video. We had studied about the growth of animals, which takes place in three different stages. Do you remember? Okay, what was the first step? The first stage was animals which lay egg. The second was animals which take birth from their mother's tummy. And the third one was animals which show the process of metamorphosis. Now, in the earlier video, we had already seen the first two stages. In this video, we are going to see the third stage, that is animals which show metamorphosis. Okay, now let us start. This is the lesson's name which will come, the life cycle of animals. And metamorphosis, I have given the picture of butterflies because metamorphosis, butterflies undergo the process of metamorphosis as well as the other insects. So now in this video we are going to study about butterfly which undergoes metamorphosis. Okay, before starting, what we do, we study the new words. Okay, now we'll study the new words. First one is larva, larva. Now let me tell you, whatever new words I have added in this slide are the processes or are the stages of metamorphosis. So when we see in the later videos, we will get to know about it in detail. Okay. Next one is caterpillar, caterpillar. Okay. The next one, pupa, pupa. The next one, chrysalis, chrysalis. And the next one is milkweed, milkweed. Comes the next one, emerges, emerges. Okay, now all these words I will I will explain you in detail as we see the videos. Okay, have you made a note of these words? And I hope you are holding a book and a pencil in your hand. Now, molts, molds, that was the word which was the last one. Okay, molts. Now, as I told you, we are going to learn about the metamorphosis in a butterfly, and butterflies are a part of our environment. They are very, very beautiful, they are very, very attractive, and whenever we see a butterfly, we feel very, very happy. We want to play with them, we want to catch them. But remember one thing, students, you should never hold or you should never catch a butterfly, because the wings of the butterfly are very, very delicate. If you do so, it may harm the butterfly, it may hurt the butterfly. So you should avoid doing these things. Whenever you see a butterfly, you should just look at it and you should feel happy, and you should do what all things you should see what all things it is doing. You should just observe, but you should not hold it or you should not catch it in your hand. Is that clear? Now we are going to study about, as I told you, there are various butterflies in our environment, but we are going to study about the plain tiger butterfly. Okay, now here you can see a diagram given here. Those are the 4 stages of metamorphosis. Now let me tell you one by one. See, first the butterfly lays eggs. This is number 1. Can you see that? Laying eggs is the first stage in metamorphosis. The second one is the larva stage. Can you see that? I have given number 2. Larva is also called as a caterpillar. Okay. The third one is chrysalis. Chrysalis stage is also called as a pupa stage. Okay. And the last one is the adult stage. Now this is when a butterfly is fully developed, that is a beautiful butterfly comes. We get, when we pass on through these 3 stages, the 4th stage we get a beautiful butterfly. So are you clear? And the diagram which you are seeing on the screen, you have to by heart it, you have to practice it, and you have to by heart the words, you have to give the proper namings to the proper stages. So practice this diagram at home, and you can color it also as you want to with beautiful colors and make it more attractive. But are you are you now you know that what are the stages of butterfly? 4 stages of butterfly. Okay, now let us move on further. Now, as I told you, 4 main stages of butterfly. The first one was laying eggs. Okay, then the second one, larva or caterpillar. After the egg stage comes the larva or the caterpillar stage. Pupa or chrysalis is the third stage. And the 4th stage is the adult stage. Now we will learn about it in detail one by one. Are you ready? Okay, let us learn about the first stage. It takes a little bit time to move on to the next slide. Something goes wrong. Just wait a few minutes. Okay, now as I told you, we are going to learn the metamorphosis in plain tiger butterfly. I'll show you the picture of the plain tiger butterfly. Here it comes. Okay, can you see that? Why it is called as a plain tiger butterfly? Because it has stripes on its body the same way a tiger has. Can you see that? That is why it is called as a plain tiger butterfly. And these kinds of butterfly you can commonly see in your surroundings. Many of you must have seen this kind of butterfly. So we are going to learn the metamorphosis process of this plain tiger butterfly. Okay, now you can see a leaf and some tiny eggs on the leaf. Yes, the first stage which we are going to learn is the egg laying part. The butterfly lays eggs on the leaf of the milkweed tree or the rui tree. Rui is known, it is called in Hindi, and milkweed is called in English. Okay, so we'll come. It will come now. And the eggs of the butterfly are very, very tiny. Can you see that? On one leaf there are so many eggs because it is very, very tiny. What's going wrong with this? So laying eggs, and then where does this butterfly lay egg? As I told you, it lays eggs on the milkweed or rui tree. Okay, now the next part. is the caterpillar stage. Now what happens in the caterpillar stage? Let me tell you. When the butterfly lays egg, to come to the caterpillar stage, it takes 6 to 8 days. From the eggs to the caterpillar stage, how many days does it take? 6 to 8 days. And a caterpillar is also known as the larva. Okay. Next one. Now what happens during this stage? Now here the caterpillar, as it comes out from the egg, it is very hungry, and it eats everything whatever he gets around it, the leaves of the plants. And as it eats very fast, it grows very rapidly. It grows faster and faster. Can you see the picture? I'll show you the picture of a caterpillar, very cute caterpillar. Okay, it eats very fast and it grows faster. Now what happens as it grows faster? The body of the caterpillar is elongated with fiber on the body, means an extra skin comes over its body, around its body, and it is like a fiber. And what happens after that? It sheds its old skin. Means shedding of old skin means the old skin is removed and new skin comes on the body. This is what it takes place, and this process takes place within 2 to 2.5 days. The molting is done. And how many times does the caterpillar molds? It molds for 4 times. How many times? 4 times. And then the caterpillar becomes pupa within 10 to 12 days. So now from pupa stage, from caterpillar stage, it is going to become a pupa or a chrysalis. And how many days does it take? 10 to 12 days. Okay. Now we will see the pupa stage. What happens in the pupa stage? Now the pupa stage, as I told you, is also known as chrysalis. And during this stage, what happens is the caterpillar grows inside the pupa and it develops attractive wings and legs. Okay, inside the pupa, the caterpillar starts developing. And for this stage, how much time does it take? 11 to 12 days. Now if you see, if you count the number of days from egg to pupa and the adult, a butterfly nearly takes a month to develop. Okay, 1 month it nearly takes to develop. I'll show you the picture of pupa. See. Are you surprised? Yes, because the caterpillar and the pupa, they don't look the same. Yes or no? Yes, and this is what is called metamorphosis. Okay, each stage looks different and is different from one another. Now see, the caterpillar is inside this pupa, and this pupa is hanged on a branch of a tree, and inside this pupa there is the caterpillar. And the changes and the growth of the butterfly, the caterpillar, takes place inside the pupa, or it is also known as chrysalis. Now what happens in the adult stage? Adult is the last stage. After a few days, a beautiful butterfly comes out from the pupa. Now after the development is completed, means after the caterpillar has grown attractive wings and it has grown legs, eyes, everything, the body of the butterfly is fully developed, it breaks the pupa and it comes out and it flies away. See, can you see? Such a beautiful butterfly is formed from the egg to the caterpillar to the pupa, and then a very beautiful butterfly. Is that clear? And have you understood the 4 stages of metamorphosis which a plain tiger butterfly goes through? Okay, now we will have a Now here what I have mentioned is different types of butterflies of different various groups, they undergo the same process of metamorphosis. Okay. Now we will take a quick recap of what we have studied today. Excuse me. Metamorphosis consists of four main stages. They are egg, larva also called as caterpillar, pupa also called as chrysalis, and the adult stage. Okay. Now here first what happens, the butterfly lays eggs. Where it lays eggs? On the milkweed or on the rui leaves. Okay. And then what happens after laying eggs? After 6 to 8 days, a caterpillar comes out from the egg. A caterpillar is also known as a larva. Now after the caterpillar comes out from the egg, what happens? The caterpillar molts how many times? 4 times. What do you mean by molting? Molting means shedding of old skin. Okay, the caterpillar sheds its old skin how many times? 4 times. And this process is done in 2 to 2.5 days. Okay. Now from the caterpillar stage to pupa stage, how many days does it takes? It takes 10 to 12 days to become a pupa. A pupa is also known, a chrysalis is also known as chrysalis. Okay, and this pupa stage goes on for 11 to 12 days. And then what happens after 11 to 12 days? Inside the pupa, the caterpillar is developed, and when it is developed fully, a beautiful butterfly comes out from the pupa, and that is the last stage, which is known as adult stage. Okay. Now have you understood what we have studied in this video today? We have studied about the metamorphosis of a plain tiger butterfly, and this comes to the end of the chapter of EVS 1 lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals. I hope you are doing the assignments which I have given related to the chapters. Okay, so see you next time. Bye, take care.